Let's add standing 3D animation in just a few simple steps. Open your Microsoft Word document. Now go to the Insert menu at the top. Click on 3D Models. Then choose from a stock 3D model. A new window will open here. Select Animated Models. Browse through the collection and pick your favorite 3D animation. Click Insert. And see, your 3D animated model is now inside your document. You can resize, rotate and position it however you look to make your document stand out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.